G how y'all doing? So yeah, definitely here again. So so I took a deep dive into sentient um agents AGI, and I'm gonna say I'm quite impressed by what they're building, and I figured out that there's the builders program currently ongoing, which I'm currently applying for. So I decided to like build something to on top of it and make sentient like a lot. I'm not really an AI person per se. So basically, I'm a blockchain dev, like the whole of CT knows. But I really wanted to participate in the whole sentient builder program and just, you know, play around with AI a bit and see where this gets me and all. So yes, it's been fun. It's been a lot of stress. I had to do this with the help of with the help of um Google research and everything, just to get it all working together and all. So yes, it took me hours. Like I've been on this for hours and hours and hours. It's been crazy hours. So we've run into serious bugs, and it's been really crazy. But I think so far I got something working. It's not really so much of a big deal, but I think it's something that could be scalable. Sometimes you know let's assume I get into the builder program, and I win something or something. I'm gonna like scale this because it's right now it's currently my baby. This is my baby because I spent hours getting this done. So what's the name of my project? So what I actually built is Sentinel Prime. I decided to call it Sentinel Prime. Okay. So this is a presentation of what my project, what I built, is gonna be doing. You feel me? So now, um, so this is a comprehensive coverage of what Sentinel Prime is all about. So okay, starting from okay, so yeah, the performance metrics. So apparently, when I was like building this, when I was building and testing, all right. So I was having issues. I was having about 37%. I think on the tweet I dropped on X earlier. Let me see if I can show you guys. Um, okay. Yeah, I think I was having about 47% system health, and I was having like a critical. Yeah. So that alone took me hours to like debug and fix together. So I'm using I have so my key metrics, I'm having 100% success rate, system reliability, 93% system reliability, zero connection errors, four major components, 15 plus core modules, and 5 specialist modes. Now, here is the system architecture. I don't really think I'm going to be going deep down into this because of the length of the video, and I don't want it to be so long. So I'm just going to be like, I'll be explaining this later on into the video. So now, architectural excellence. So the production ready design, the system demonstrates enterprise grade architecture with 100% success rate and 93% reliability. So every component is built for scalability, maintainability, and performance. So yeah, event driven architecture, microservices pattern, circuit breaker pattern, and observer pattern. So yes, the complete import and dependency analysis, okay, is where the imports I had to like, yeah, the sentinel sentient agent I had to like from import the framework, the dependencies and everything I had to like import. So I think the devs in the house are gonna actually like probably understand this. Like I said, this is not the purpose of the video. I'm supposed to like be showing you guys how this works, but I just, because I'm gonna have to upload the video here, I have to do like a little bit of explanation. Also, I'm gonna be posting this on X. I'm gonna be posting this on YouTube, so anybody could like find it over there. So yeah, the core technology components I use. So I remember asking on the before that. So I use the OML fingerprinting system, OML 1.0. So the purpose of this is just for the cryptographic model ownership and verification. So you have the key features are just fine tuning with deep speed, multi GPU optimization, and forgetting regularizers, prompt augmentation. I use the OpenDeepSearch engine. Yeah, I remember asking on the Discord if I should focus on this or on Roma, you know. I remember asking, and I think I was told to just focus on everything and just try to put everything together and see how I could like get everything to work all together. So I have the Open Deep Search engine. I sorry, I made use of this. I made use of the Sentient Agent Framework. The purpose of this was just production ready structured agent development platform. So sorry, this whole presentation I had to use AI to put it together because I was already stressed out about the building, and I just kind of like, so I just gave AI some prompts. I was like, okay, you know what, put this is my code base, this is what I did, help me, I need a presentation, I need to get this done. So sorry if I'm not like going as in depth as possible. So yeah, I made use of the Sentinel Prime agent, research memory system, specialist mode system, you know. So yeah, complete specialist mode system analysis. So I use I kept so this is this. So I have the specialist mode in different, I have different modes, okay? I have the auto detect. So this auto detect automatically like detects the mode the research I'm trying to query is under. For example, you have auto detect automatically detects it. You have the academic, if you're working on, if you're like want to query the academic. You have the financial, you have the technical documentation, you have the breaking news, you have the general. So the output you choose, whether you want a full research report, debates cards, data table. So now that's basically what this is trying to say. So I'm gonna be just scrolling through it like as fast as I can because this video is about 7 minutes long already. So I have the academic mode, yeah. So financial mode, as I said, the technical mode, breaking news mode, general mode. So and the automatic mode detection. Yeah. So I think AI fucked me up, yeah. But anyways, so the complete Sentinel methodology implementation. So the enhanced Sentinel workflow architecture, all 7 phases with specialist mode adaptation. You have the scope, which is the define research parameters. Yep. The basic configuration, the specialist enhancement, E execute. Like breaking this down, you have the S stands for the scope, the scope, sorry. The E stands for execute, N nexus, T triangulate, I intelligence, N notarize, E engage, L log. I'm not gonna be breaking all this down. That's not the purpose of this video. So the complete research memory system analysis. Yeah. So this is all technical docs, and I don't think that is the, yeah, for okay, yeah. This is what my codes look like. I think I need to show my code base for the purpose of the video. Yeah. I need to hold up. Okay. So yes. Yeah, this is the check fingerprints Python code base. I'm not really like a Python person, like I said, so I had to go through big use of it, but I really enjoyed it. I think I started my development career with Python, even though I had to like drop it at some point. I still make use of it in Web3 one way or the other, but not like as in depth. Understood? So yeah, connection types, topical, temporal, methodological, sorry, methodological, yeah, and source based. Research memory case, memory system class architecture, the connection analysis algorithm. Yeah, all these, trust me, were put together by AI for me, just to, like, for the purpose of this presentation. And yeah, my project organization, as I showed you all here. Okay, so the code base and how it's structured and everything is what is actually here. Do you understand, friends? And the sentient team. Okay. So the technical implementation highlights. So yeah, this is like the highlights of everything I've probably been saying since, and everything I missed, and the one I probably like was able to like put together. So yes, the modular design, each component. So we had the OML Open Deep Search framework and agent is independently deployable and testable. Yep. The async first architecture, all input output operations use async await for maximum performance and concurrency. You have the type safety. So comprehensive typing throughout the code base with data classes and type hints. Event driven. Um Sorry if you guys can hear from some form of noise. That is my PC actually. My CPU. So it's like actually I think it's vibrating or something along. The fans are like really moving. So anyways, so event driven communication, loose coupling through structured JSON events and response hand um hand response response handlers. Memory efficiency optimized for large model processing with careful resource management. So import flexibility. So dual strategy. That's relative or absolute for maximum deployment compatibility. This is like really really important. It's like really really important. You understand? Error handling. Try catch blocks with fallback mechanism and circuit breakers. Performance monitoring, built-in telemetry, metrics collection, and health monitoring. Now, my code base starts. Oh god, this is dirty. Okay, so you have my 705 lines in Sentinel Prime the Pi, for 450 lines in research memory the Pi, 575 lines of code in specialist modes the Pi, four major components, 15 plus core modules and Python. Yeah, I made use of Python 3.1 obviously. So complete sentient framework integration analysis. So abstract agent implementation. So these are the interface requirements fulfilled. Event system integration. These are the event types implemented. Fast. I think I had a lot of issues while actually trying to get this done. Oh my god! I wish I took a screenshot. I had a lot of issues, so I had to like debug the using the console on my browser just to actually like get past this particular part. It was like really really crazy. So the fast API server integration, you had enhanced server features and so yes, Midges okay, so complete development and deployment technology. So the core machine learning AI libraries: PyTorch, Transformers, DeepSpeed, Light, Small, Accelerate, 1B, search and web infrastructure, Crawl for AI, Super API, Search Engine. So all these I had to put together one way or the other to the best of my it's not so much of a big it's not such a big deal. It's not something really really so big, but I feel like it's something I could actually like I could this is actually making me so interested in AI. I had fun building this, but I'm not gonna lie, I went through a lot of issues getting this done. I had to consult even devs better than me at this, because I don't do AI. I don't do anything AI, but because of sentient, I am actually like deep diving into AI, and so many things here are like so new to me, but somehow one way or the other I have to just get acquainted with them. I have to know what I'm doing and just understand them and just like get myself together and just like understand it. For the sake of sentence, I'm gonna do this. So complete demonstration points, every achievement. Yeah, so complete system integration. I successfully integrated four major sentient components into one cohesive research agent platform: the OML 1.0 fingerprint, the OpenDeepSearch Sentient Agent Framework, and the Sentient Prime. Two, advanced cryptographic security, implemented comprehensive model ownership and verification system. So fine-tuning pipelines, anti-forgetting regularizers, cryptographic signatures and verification system, intelligent multimodal search, build sophisticated search system with multi-intelligence layers like provider integration, semantic re-ranking, content preprocessing, agent integration. So this demonstrates advanced information retrieval, and AI powered content processing capabilities. Then you add persistent memory and learning system, session tracking, knowledge trading, user context learning, memory cleanup. Five mode specialist intelligence system: academic mode, financial mode, technical mode, breaking news mode, and general mode. Six, the enterprise grade production readiness. So achieved exceptional reliability and performance metrics. Best performance metrics, as I said earlier: 100% system success rate, 93.1% system reliability, zero connection errors, secure breakers, health monitoring. Now, the clean code architecture and quality, modular design, async first architecture, comprehensive typing, yeah, error handling, and import flexibility. So yeah, complete Sentinel methodology implementation scope, execute, nexus, triangulate, intelligence, notarize, engage, and log. This demonstrates systematic research methodology and academic rigor. Production, deployment, and operational excellence. Platform: I use Replit cloud infrastructure alongside with integrated GitHub deployment, which that is actually wrong. I was supposed to deploy via Replit, but I had to deploy via VS Code because I was having a lot of issues with Replit, because I had to deploy the system to be like through Replit. So I yeah so I yes, got myself together. So I had to deploy using um what's it called, VS Code to GitHub. So here's my GitHub repository. So I'm gonna attach the link in my post. So here's my GitHub repository. I think has a little bit of details on here. So the code base is actually here. It's public. It's public. Come on. It's, I don't know. It's public. So yes, that's like basically it. 100% success rate again, 93% system reliability, zero connection errors, less than 2 seconds every response time. Like, it's really fast, really really fast. I mean, Sentient has done, they've done a lot of work to, like, the AGI is just like really 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 fantastic. I would love to figure out to like integrate that into like blockchain. I would really really love to. Come on, AI is not my forte, but like I said, I'm gonna deep dive into it just because of Sentient. You know, it's not so bad after all. So system configuration, environment, Python 3.1, memory management, persistent JSON storage, automatic cleanup, error recoveries, circuit breakers with automatic healing, logging, compressive logging with multiple levels, security, and CSP compatible streaming with CORS configuration. So yeah, Sentient AGI technology stack, complete excellence. Sorry about that. So Sentinel Prime 2.0 represents the pinnacle of AI research agent technology, demonstrating mastery of the complete sentient AGI technology stack with production grade implementation, enterprise reliability, and cutting edge AI capabilities. So it adds 785 lines of code for major components, 5 special modes, 7 Sentinel phases, 100% success rate. So, and it's enterprise production ready. Yes, trust me, it has still a lot of work to be done. It's not really so big right now. So, yeah. Yup. So this is my pitch. I don't know if it's really so impressive, but I'll be willing to ask questions if the team has questions for me. So that'll probably be where I end the video. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna show how this works. So I'm gonna query. So let's say I'm gonna. So yeah, I figured out. When I query some questions, yeah. When I query research some research parameters, it's gonna tell you if, okay, for example, okay, I have some history, yeah. Latest breakthroughs in quantum computing. Uh, okay, I'm just gonna keep it at auto detect. For research report. Then I'm gonna launch this. So I'm gonna get, yes, this activate Sentinel Prime activation. So Sentinel Prime version 2.0 has been activated for advanced research mission. 5 related sessions, research memory analysis. So the point I even want to, so the ROMA network intelligence is actually very functional. So this is grading the task as simple. So recommended agents to handle this task is just two. Do you understand? So the system error report is still like system status is saying warning, and I think I tried to get that to like 100 compatible, 100% fully ready to or something, but it just kept being at warning. I guess that's just like the base or something. So reliability is 93.1%. So yeah, this says task complexity is simple and recommended agents are two. So now when I try a very complex, because I had to like jailbreak or try to see if I could like jailbreak it or something. So when I try a more difficult query and I launch it, I get something like, yes, ROMA network intelligence. So task complexity is complex and required even more agents at this point. It's 3. Let me see if I could try one more. So this says analyze the cascading geopolitical. Okay. So I'm gonna try this. And V. Let's say, okay, leave this auto detect data table launch. So we categorize this as complex and making use of 3 recommend 3 agents. Yeah. So and the system health says warning still, but I could get that to even be better. Success rate is 100%. Average response, like, it's really, really fast, and reliability is like 93%. So my tool is like perfect. It's almost, I'm gonna say almost perfect. And like I said, this could be 100% skilled. 100% skilled. I'm gonna scale this if I get the right support from the Sentinel. From the, sorry, I keep mixing Sentinel and Sentient, which is the name of the of the AGI. I keep mixing them together. So yes, I'm gonna be scaling Sentinel Prime if I get the right support from the sentient community. I'm definitely 100% gonna be doing that. I'm gonna appreciate your support, guys. 100%, I need your support. If I get the right support, I'm gonna scale this, and it's gonna even be bigger than this, and that's a promise. So yes, this is my pitch for the application of the builder program. And this is also my explanation of what I built, which I'm gonna actually post on X. So thank you guys. I know this is a different form of build or content I've done entirely. I'm strictly blockchain, but like I said, because of sentience, I'm actually deep diving into AI, and so far it has been fun. So thank you guys for like um being with me to this stage, being on this if you watch to this stage, I really, really appreciate it. God bless you. God bless you all. Many love to all of you. Good night, good morning, wherever your time zone is, and I wish you all the best. Yeah, Dev Willie, or Dope Willie as it is, out. Yeah, bye friends. G